Welcome back to my channel, my dear friends. Today I'm gonna make a very easy and delicious creamy pumpkin soup. For this recipe I need 1 medium pumpkin. It is about 4 to 5 pounds, 2 sticks of green onion, 2 garlics, 1 large onion, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, cooking oil, and 1 cup of half and half or heavy cream. First I'm gonna peel and chop all my fresh vegetables, then I start cooking. In a medium pot, drizzle about 8 to 9 tablespoons of olive oil or any cooking oil. Then add the chopped onion on top of that. Caramelize the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Save the garlic for later. The onion is ready, it's caramelized. I'm gonna add the garlic first on top of the onion, then add half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a tablespoon of black pepper. Mix it very well and cook all these spices with onion for about a minute. It smells really good in here. I'm gonna add the chopped pumpkin on top of the onion and then mix it very well. And add 1 cup of water and then mix it very well. Put the lid on and cook the pumpkin for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's well done. The pumpkin is ready. I'm gonna use blender to blend the pumpkin. Pour the cooked pumpkin with all the juices in a blender and then blend it. Looks so yummy. Then I'm using the same pot that I cooked the pumpkin. Add the blended pumpkin back to the pot and turn on the heat in medium-low. Then add about 1 cup of half and half or heavy cream to make the soup creamy, and also it gives the soup that pretty color. Look how the color is changing once you add the cream into the soup. Keep the heat on till the soup is nice and hot again. Then I'm gonna turn off the heat and show you how to plate it. The pumpkin soup is ready. It's nice and hot. It's bubbling. I'm going to turn off the heat and serve it in a nice size bowl with some salty crackers and a tablespoon of sour cream. This is just for look. It makes it look pretty. And a little bit of that chopped green onion. I'm just going to put it into the center of the bowl. The delicious creamy pumpkin soup is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching and I appreciate your support.